Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a challenge and matching the target dimensions. This matters. Open DevTools and lock the viewport to the level size so pixels line up. Create a minimal HTML skeleton and attach one CSS file. Avoid images and external fonts. Once done, strip default margins and set box sizing. Border box so layout math is predictable. Now you can inspect the target, plan shapes, and begin writing CSS that reproduces each visual block precisely. You build the scene by placing a few divs and using position, absolute. This gives precise control over coordinates. Use background gradients and multiple box shadows to fake textures and complex shapes instead of extra elements. This reduces byte cost. Apply transforms for rotation and fine offsets. They keep layout crisp. Once a shape works, refactor repeating styles into shared classes and shorthands to save bytes while preserving visual fidelity. You now optimize and prepare to submit. Minify your CSS by collapsing whitespace, using short color notation, and combining selectors. Every byte counts. Once minified, compare your render to the target and iterate with tiny visual tweaks. Rerun the screenshot diff until it aligns. If things go wrong, inspect subpixel shifts, default fonts, device pixel ratio, and unintended overflow. These often cause mismatches. Finally, submit once the diff is acceptable, and record your solution approach for future levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.